Hi students, good morning. We were discussing about different contraceptive methods. We already discussed natural method or traditional method and barrier method. Today we can study the remaining methods. Contraceptive methods. Contraceptive methods. Okay. So the next one is IUDs. It is intrauterine devices or intrauterine contraceptive devices. These are intrauterine, that means these are placed inside the uterus. And here different types of IUDs are available. Non-medicated IUDs, then copper releasing IUDs, then hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, so non-medicated, copper releasing and hormone releasing IUDs are available. For example, non-medicated, it is Lippes loop. Lippes loop means it is a double S-shaped structure. Okay, that is placed inside the uterus. Then copper releasing. Example, copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375, like that. Here hormone releasing IUD. It is LNG 20, Progestasert, all these are hormone releasing IUDs. Examples are important. It was previous board question. Okay. LNG 20, Progestasert, hormone releasing. Copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375. That is example of copper releasing. Then Lippes loop, non-medicated IUD. Okay, so how do IUDs work? How can we use it as a contraceptive method? Because these are placed inside the uterus. Okay, it increases the phagocytosis of the sperms and it makes, suppose if it is copper releasing IUD, the released copper ions reduces the mobility of the sperm. So the sperms cannot move forward. And here hormone releasing IUDs are there. It reduces the implantation capacity or it makes the uterus unfit, unsuitable for implantation. Anyhow, it prevents fertilization and other associated activities. Clear? That is the role of IUDs. Non-medicated, copper releasing and hormone releasing IUDs. And this is the best method for people who want to space the children. Okay. Because at any time they can remove this and they can conceive. The next method is oral contraceptives. Oral contraceptive, oral administrative tab. It is commonly known as oral pills. Okay, oral pills, tablets are there. Actually, it is made up of hormones like progesterone or estrogen-progesterone combination. Such pills are given to prevent fertilization. Okay, and you know the entire menstrual cycle is of 28 duration. The first 5 to 7 days, okay, up to 7 days, this is the correct menstruation happens during this time. Now the remaining 21 days. All the 21 days regularly they have to take the pills for preventing fertilization because these pills help to prevent ovulation and other things. That is oral pills. And there is a pill called Saheli. This is a non-steroid preparation and it is very effective and it has less side effect. And it is known as once a week pill. It is also important one. Okay, that is oral contraceptives. Generally, these are pills made up of progestogen or estrogen-progestogen combination. Next contraceptive is injectables. Okay, it is given as injection. The same hormone, progestogen or estrogen-progestogen combination, it is given as injection, or implants are also there. Implants. These implants are placed under the skin, in the upper arm under the skin. It looks like the matchstick. Okay, it is plastic rods and made up of this hormone combination, and it is placed under the skin, which releases the hormone. And in all the cases, these hormones, it reduces the capacity of implantation. It makes the uterus unfit for implantation. It reduces the cervical mucus, thereby prevent the entry of sperms, and it also prevents ovulation. Okay, that is implants. And the last method, it is a permanent method, that is known as surgical method, or it is known as sterilization, surgical method or sterilization. It's a permanent method, irreversible one. Okay, and here you know, in the case of male, vas deferens is there, and in female, oviduct or fallopian tube is there. So in surgical method, a small part of the vas deferens in male is either cut, just remove that part, or tied together, and that is known as, in male it is known as vasectomy. Okay, a small part of the vas deferens cut or tied together. And in the case of females, the part of oviduct is cut or tied together. That is known as tubectomy. Vasectomy and tubectomy. Both these methods comes under surgical method. It is a permanent method. Okay. So these are all about the different contraceptives, and using these contraceptives we can check the population explosion to some extent, but at the same time we cannot ignore the side effects. Side effect is very less, but some side effects are there. In some people it may cause nausea, then breast cancer, then abdominal pain, then bleeding, etc. All these things happen along with the use of these contraceptives. Okay. Anyhow, it is a very advantageous thing to check population explosion. Now we can move to the next part, that is medical termination of pregnancy. The next topic is medical termination of pregnancy, or MTP. Medical termination of pregnancy. It is the intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before the full term. You know, the gestation period 9 months. But before that, voluntarily, intentionally, purposefully terminate the pregnancy. That is known as medical termination of pregnancy, or MTP. And Government of India legalized this MTP with strict conditions to avoid misuse of it, because many times these MTPs are misused. Okay, so but it is a why MTP? When we are doing MTP? Because MTP, the aim of MTP is to avoid the unwanted pregnancies. And sometimes it may happen due to rape, attack, or sometimes due to unprotected sexual contact. In such cases, we can use MTP. Moreover, sometimes we know if the pregnancy continues, it will affect the health of mother or fetus. In that case also we can use MTP, but sometimes it may be misused. After doing amniocentesis and all, they understand, okay, the child is female, then female feticide will increase. So there is a strict, there are many strict rules, okay, against this MTP. Anyhow, it also helps to avoid unwanted pregnancies. And in the next class, we will study about the sexually transmitted diseases and infertility. Okay, study these things. I hope all of you understood all these things.